Gold H4 time frame. First of all, you have static horizontal resistance level. After so many mania last week, price closed above 2400, big psychological level, and near 2400 you have last static resistance, and you have parallel channel your chart pattern. So lower trend line tested two times, upper trend line tested two times. After those, WXY wave ending diagonal in wave Y, the double bottom below 2300 level psychological, they are up almost $100. So buying at low of range, now they are at upper part of the range. From this low, these were your AVC wave, exactly 38% projection. You can call it larger degree WXY wave. Right now we are in wave Y. Again, that is sub wave ABC. So for scalper H4, you have overbought RSI, static horizontal resistance level, a parallel channel chart pattern. So for support, this parallel channel trend line and this old trend line, these are your dynamic support level. So above these two red and yellow trend line, gold price is bullish, but be careful, these are dynamic support, not static. And for more clarity, it will break out or not about 2400 psychological level. If you see daily chart from this low, your December SEP, when the first forecast 3 rate cut. Since then it is up 5 impulsive wave and fifth wave again 5 wave on lower H1 time frame. But if these are 5 impulsive wave, your larger degree wave Y, then these were your ABC wave W, then Y. Again 138% projection, and after so many things, when it tested 2400 level first time, it was war news. Now this time you have something different. You can say repeat of 2021. So 138% projection, 2433 big static resistance level. So previously price saw big rejection in this resistance zone, but candlestick closing above daily resistance level. So this is last resistance 2433. After this no limit because of all time high. But if this level break out from this December FOMC meeting low, then you can expect up down, because these can be next level impulsive wave. So RSI is not as overbought like it was last time. And if you remember this low before November CPI number, the downtick in CPI number, everything changed. Markets are rate cut before Fed. So almost similar thing happened last week. Second inflation wave risk immediately decreased and you have downtick in CPI. But market is reacting same to same. From March 2025, market is now expecting first cut in September this year. FOMO is so high, Goldman Sachs Bank have raised their target from 2700 to 3100. And your hedge fund, he is buying physical gold, and this is his big size trade. Because if you remember, Michael Burry is speculating recession for last 2 years. What he did in 2022, everyone know. Now he is bullish on gold. So I have explained intraday support level, chart pattern and resistance on H4 chart. But before you say this last 2433 level will break out or not, let's see completely different new word. All the time last 1 month, COT is not buying gold, they are sideways. Hedge fund are not buying GLD, volume is collapsing. But silver breakout last week, your triangle chart pattern final wave Y, almost there at 38% projection. But right now silver is behaving same to same like 2021. Not hedge fund, not big player, a small retail trader, FOMO buying silver and they are driving market. If you are there in 2021, that Wall Street Silver Mania, GameStop, it start with single tweet last week. If inflation is sign of economic boom, it come in the last when economic boom is crossing limit. And if you see roaring kitty as a psychological indicator, then we are in full scale economic boom just before Biden election in November. And it was started in July 2022, delaying inevitable recession, controlling inflation from 9% to 3%, then next task avoiding recession at all cost. Because this is 11 years high, so there is more FOMO in silver than gold. And if you want more clarity, 2400 level will break out in gold or not. If that happen, what will happen next? Because technical level is 2433 and 2400 is psychological level. Like I said, this boom started in July 2022. Right here, after February CPI number, market completely delete fear of recession. Exactly what Biden want before their election. Inflation is under control compared to 9%. Problem is gold, silver, Bitcoin, these things can go up alone, but copper will never go alone. Like black hole, nothing can survive its gravity. Same like this, if copper is going up, there is global economic boom right now. And like they did with Orthon 1 last time, they changed their tone instantly after election. They did a rate hike. And question is, economic boom is happening, global economy. Copper is saying bubble sentiment are back same to same. Meme stock like 2021. Silver is saying. And question is, they will continue this economic boom same like author 1 till November, or they will do something before November. If you do not know role of copper in an economy, then good for you. Otherwise, this is your $100 sideways range in gold. 2400 and 2300 psychological support and resistance. All of your news will start this week, starting Monday. And Fed is sick, coronavirus. News headline are same to same like 2021. Full scale economic boom. Do not worry, movie is same. 50-year-old movie stagflation. Slowly, Fed will be sick and he may die or he will leave Fed before election. So Monday Powell speech will decide new narrative. Holiday in some country, but still you will have action on first working day. Second, FOMC minute PDF. We will get more info about May FOMC meeting when they said no stack, no inflation. And if you want to see power of FOMC minute, then this bottom, your FOMC minute, this vertical momentum, your FOMC minute. Let's see what happened this week on FOMC minute. Here they said rate hike size will decrease from 75 to 50. Here they said rate cut is coming in March. And what information we will get this week, that will decide next trade. Weekly chart, 2 blue candlestick, full bullish gold, but compared to last April month, sentiment are not as bullish as they were last time. After last week's CPI number, narrative changed from stagflation to soft landing. And if it is sideways correction, same like Trump trade war, breakout then flag, then this is already happening. Sideways or zigzag correction only depend on one thing. Your roaring kitty economic boom will continue till November election or it will stop before election. You all know, maybe it is because of high price, what China central bank gold buying is slowing. Now they are doing same thing like Fed did in 2009 and blame US government for dollar debasement. But there is a new news last week. China selling car in France. Instantly every Goldberg tone change. So either France joined BRICS or China have joined G7. Because those electric car may be one of the big reason copper is flying. So you have full scale economic boom in China, you have full scale economic boom in USA, and two big economy are enough to create global economic boom. So be careful last 2 week where monthly candlestick will close above 2400 or below 2300. So H4 chart clear static resistance level, chart pattern, and you can say biggest news this week.